Howdy YouTubers, Roger with Gateway Cycles back with you from beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky, and I've got a new machine for you today. This is a 2006 Honda Shadow Aero, black. Looks like we got some bags on it, backrest, detachable windshield. We'll do a quick walk around on this one. Got that dependable Honda motor. We do have a new front tire coming for this machine, just haven't got it installed yet. Fairly clean little machine here. But you got to look at the back end here. And we'll crank this thing up real quick. And as I expected, it purrs just like I thought a Honda would. Guys, come on down here to Mount Sterling and visit us here at Gateway Cycles, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com, or you can check us out on Facebook at Gateway Cycles. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let us know you like the videos and we'll try to get more out to you. Thanks for watching.